I'm looking at a couple questions from section 2.7. First one we're going to look at here is question number 1. We're going to use these two graphs over here, y1 being the blue graph and y2 being the red graph, to solve a few situations. The first one is to find out the solution set such that y1 is equal to x1. The solution set is going to be the x values that make this thing true. So where y1 is equal to y2, I can see that seems to be at an x value of 1. So my solution set is going to have the element 1 included in it. So I put 1 for the first one. Next, I'm looking to find out when y1, which is my blue line, is above or greater than y2. So it is above on the left over here. So it's for all values that are less than 1. We're going to write that solution set in interval notation. So in interval notation, my interval is going to go up to 1, starting with negative infinity, comma up to 1. We're not going to include 1 because there's no equal bar, so we're going to use a parenthesis there. All right. Now, if I'm looking for where y1 is less than or equal to y2, the blue line, y1 is less than below y2 on the right side. So that's going to be from the interval from 1 to infinity. This time I'm going to include that 1 because of the equal bar in the inequality. All right, I'm going to look at the next question here as well. The graphs of two linear functions f and g are shown. Solve the equation f of x equals g. Okay, I can make this bigger if I need to, but it looks like these are equal coincidentally again when x is 1. Just happens to be that way, same as the previous one. And again, your graphs may look slightly different. You may have different values in yours. So it looks like I have 1. Okay. And then I'm looking at solving the inequality f of x is less than or equal to g of x. So f is the blue, and it is less than or below g of x on the right. So it's from 1 up. Now, this is going to ask me to express in an inequality instead of in an interval. So I'm going to say it's for x greater or equal to 1, 1 being the lowest value, and I want to be greater than 1 in all the regions where that blue line f of x is below the red line g of x. Okay. All right, those are the two I wanted to talk about. If you have any questions on any of the rest of them, please feel free to let me know.